Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Orange color, light blue color, pink color, dark blue color, neon color, or we can say light yellow color, black color, brown color and red color. Let's start. Brown color, brown color, one, number one, yellow color, yellow color, two, number two, green color, three, number three, pink color, four, number four, purple color, five, number five, green color, six, number six, purple color, seven, number seven, yellow color, eight, number eight, pink color, nine, number nine, brown color, 10, number 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.